Welcome to Plush Garage Doors. We supply and install a whole range of doors, including side hinge garage doors, sectional garage doors, up and over and roller doors. We can also install and repair electric operated doors and provide a service that just cannot be beaten. We take pride in our reputation and all our work is guaranteed. We treat all customers and their homes with the utmost respect and we're always clean and tidy. Plush Garage Doors. For more information on the services that we supply, please visit us online today.